Hello, dear friends and viewers from all around the world. This is Iran, and I'm Sam, here to show you this country from a different perspective. This is southern Iran, and the sea you're looking at is the Persian Gulf. This place is the city of Bushehr. And here you can see a view of Milad Tower, located in Tehran, the capital of Iran. This is a place where history, nature, and everyday life breathe together. A land with thousands of years of heritage, where the people's smiles are warmer than the sun, and every alley holds a story of its own. Here, the sound of life blends with the wind and the sea, with the scent of fresh bread, with the laughter of children, with the rhythm of footsteps left on this ancient land. Sometimes it's mountains, sometimes plains, sometimes lush forests, sometimes silence, sometimes the energy of a busy bazaar, but there's always one shared feeling. A sense that this is a place to be seen, to be heard, to be felt. I'm here to bring you that feeling raw and real, just as it is, just as it lives. I'm Sam, and I'm here not just to show you this country, but to let you feel it. Dear friends and viewers, I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's the biggest support you can give me. This is me, the one trying to show the real Iran to the world. Iran. Maybe just a distant name to you, but here, stories, secrets, and real life are waiting for you. Many think Iran is only about history and ancient stones, but here, life flows every day, full of color and sound. The people of Iran are some of the most hospitable you'll ever meet. In the streets, the markets, or homes, if you smile, you might be offered a cup of tea or invited to a family dinner. Is everyday life like what you see in movies? No, it's very different. People work, study, fall in love, just like everywhere else. Here, young people chase their dreams, and women live their lives with strength and passion. You might be surprised, but culture and traditions are still very much alive. From celebrations and ceremonies to clothes and food, each holds stories passed down through generations. Food, it's a real experience. Delicious kebabs, colorful stews, fresh breads baked in clay ovens, and the rich tea they drink in the mornings. Freedom? That's a complex topic, but despite the challenges, people here have hearts full of hope and dreams. They live, they laugh, and they build their future. Iran's nature is more diverse than you think. From towering mountains to scorching deserts, from lush forests in the north to calm shores of the Persian Gulf. Music and art are a big part of Iranian life. The sound of the tar, the dotar, local songs, and of course modern music that attracts the youth. Traveling? Iran has many roads and routes. You can go from city to city by car or train, and every time face a new world. Iran is a special place, a blend of past and present, of tradition and modernity of ancient tales and today's life. So if you want to truly understand Iran, don't just look at pictures and news. You need to walk, listen, and feel it.
Dear friends and viewers, I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's the biggest support you can give me.
پنجاه هر سایزی هر مدلی برداری 50 دیریست آقا تو شیرین ملس خانما بفر با اینا
Dear friends, thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Until the next one, goodbye.
بابا